Welcome back to SRC. This week's theme is Dream Big.
And today we are reading Thelma the Unicorn by Erin Blabby.
And we'll be making dragon eggs, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, today we are reading Thelma the Unicorn by Erin Blabby and published by Scholastic Canada. If you would like to listen to Thelma the Unicorn, click the link in the description below.
Today we'll be making dragon eggs, so let's dive in.
So for this craft, you're going to need some modeling clay. We just got ours from the dollar store. You're going to need a plastic Easter egg, and if you don't have one of those, you can also just use tin foil as the base. And then you're going to need several decorations, whatever you want to put on your dragon egg. So to start, you're going to pick out your modeling clay colors. It took us about 4 different colors to fill the whole egg. So I started off with pink, and you just press it around the egg, filling up the whole space. So just squish and blend the modeling clay colors together however you'd like, and when you're happy with it, then start decorating. So you can put in different kinds of jewels, sequins, whatever you have, and just keep pressing them in until you're all finished.
And that's how you make dragon eggs. Have fun creating, guys.
Thanks for tuning in!